Hello everyone, this is Varito Vasquez AIFD, CFD, FSMD. Welcome to our Varito Designs and Institute in West Palm Beach, Florida. In a few days, I will be making a couple videos for the company EC Flowers Ecuador, and thank you to Rodrigo Vásquez for the invitation just to be part of your educational program. I will be working in a few arrangements, a bouquet of flowers, and soon I will get a product directly from the farm, directly from Ecuador. So I will be more than glad and happy to enjoy making those arrangements for you guys, and hopefully you're gonna enjoy the in the same way that I will, and I will be happy just to do this for all of you. So keep in touch and keep in touch of the EC Flowers YouTube channel, the EC Flowers Facebook page, and their website. So the videos will be available very soon. Okay, so I will say bye, or I'm gonna say see you later, because I will continue re-educating myself into my concepts, principles, and elements of design. Okay, have a good one. Bye.